Welcome students to the Physics Hub. Today we will be discussing grouping of cells. In your syllabus, there are two types of grouping of cells, that is cells in series and cells in parallel. First we will discuss cells in series. Now cells are said to be connected in series if positive terminal of one cell is connected to negative terminal of the second, and whose positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the third cell, as shown in this figure. Okay, and the external resistors R is connected to free terminals of these cells. Okay, now here the EMF of the battery is the sum of the individual EMFs, means total EMF is the sum of these EMF, and the current in each cell is same because the cells are identical, and therefore the current arrangement is same as well as external and internal circuit. Okay, and the total resistance of the battery is the sum of the individual internal resistances. Okay, therefore the total EMF of the battery will be Ne. Now if we take a general case, means if we take n cells, okay, then there will be n E, means total EMF is Ne, and n denotes the number of identical cells, and therefore the total resistance of the cell will be Nr, and the total resistance of the circuit equal to Nr plus external resistance R, and from this we get current. Current is potential upon resistance, and potential here is EMF Ne, for Ne upon Nr plus R. Now students, there are two cases in this. If external resistance R is much less than Nr, means internal resistances of total internal resistances of the cell, then we will get I equal to E upon R. Okay, and if Nr is much less than R, means total resistance is much less than the external resistance, then we get I equal to NER, means the current will be N times the current through the single cell. Now from these two points we conclude that the maximum current can be drawn from the series combination of cells if the external resistance, that is R, is very high as compared to the internal resistances of the cell. मीन्स अगर एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस हमें तभी करंट ज़्यादा मिलेगा सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में अगर एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा होगी इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सेल. Okay, next is cells in parallel combination. Now cells are said to be connected in parallel when positive terminal of all the cells are connected to one point together and the negative terminals are connected to the another point P, suppose. Okay, and the external resistor R is connected between these two points. Okay, now here the EMF of the battery is same as that of the single cell, means batteries or cells are connected in parallel, so current will be dividing and EMF will remain the same. The current in external circuit is divided equally among the cells. The reciprocal of the total internal resistance is the sum of the reciprocal of the individual internal resistances. और जो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस का रेसिप्रोकल होगा वो किसके इक्वल होगा? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द इंडिविजुअली इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंसेस. फ्रॉम द पैरेलल combination of resistance we get 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and so on. Means then total EMF of the battery here equal to E, because EMF is same in all the cells. Okay, it will not add because this is the parallel combination. In parallel combination voltage remain the same, and therefore the total resistance of the battery equal to R upon N, because if we are taking N cells then total resistance will be R upon N. Okay, and the total resistance of the circuit, this is the total resistance of the battery, internal resistance battery, and therefore total resistance of the circuit will be R upon N plus external resistance R. and therefore the current I equal to N E upon, there will be Ne upon Nr plus R, because this N will be from R by N. After taking LCM we will get this equation. Okay, now there are also two cases, यहाँ पे भी दो cases हैं. अगर R की वैल्यू जो है एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा कम है, मच लेस देन R by N, देन हमारे पास करंट क्या होगा, एन ई अपॉन आर, मीन्स मैक्सिमम करंट होगा, मीन्स एन टाइम्स द करंट थ्रू सिंगल सेल. एंड इफ आर बाय एन means total internal resistance of battery is much less than the external resistance R, then current will be E upon R, means current will be equal to current through single cell. तब हमारे पास current जो होगा वो single cell के थ्रू का. मीन्स इन दो पॉइंट से हम ये कंक्लूड करते हैं कि जब एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस नेग्लिजिबली स्मॉल होगा टू द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस, तो सेल्स आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल will give us the maximum current. Means for maximum current external resistance should be less than the sum of the internal resistances. Okay, thank you students. This is the last topic of the first